Hi, this is Tom Olszewski with Team Olszewski and Coldwell Banker. In our current real estate market, it is important that your home be in the best possible shape and priced right if you want to sell for top dollar. Buyers have more homes to choose from, and if your home isn't in top shape, it won't get shown. We now have a solution to help you overcome this problem, especially if you might not have the funds to complete needed projects before you sell. I would like to introduce you to a solution to this program. This program will maximize your selling price and ultimately help sell your home faster. Introducing the RealVitalize program, offered exclusively by Coldwell Banker Residential Brokerage for our clients. This program allows for repairs or upgrades to be made with no upfront payment until the home closes, and it's easy and hassle-free. So how does it work? First off, the program is powered by Home Advisor. The program helps with improvements and repairs to help you prep your home for sale. We cover the upfront costs and then get paid back when the home sells. There are no hidden fees, interest charges, or markups. This should be a no-brainer if you want to get the most from your home when it sells. So what projects will the program cover? Here are just a few of them: staging, appliance purchasing and installation, kitchen and bathroom upgrades, carpentry, carpet cleaning and installation, cleaning and maid service, curb appeal enhancements, painting, drywall and insulation, electrical upgrades, handyman services, plumbing, and wall and ceiling repair. There are 3 simple steps to get started. First, let's get your home listed, and then we will talk to a RealVitalize project consultant to discuss the services needed. Then the project consultant will help manage projects from start to finish, finding appointment times to work conveniently within your schedule. Last step will be that experienced service professionals will show up on time to tackle improvements, and they'll bill us for their services. Here are the answers to some of the most frequently asked questions about the program. Why do we choose to partner with Home Advisor? Home Advisor offers the nation's largest network of pre-screened, homeowner-rated service professionals. They'll connect you with top-rated local pros to ensure they're getting the best service provider to get the job done right. 2. How does RealVitalize work? I will make arrangements for a call with a project consultation. A project consultant will then work with you to arrange services, agree on pricing, and manage projects from start to finish. All services will be billed to us and recouped from you at closing with no hidden fees, interest charges, or markups. 3. When will appointments be scheduled? The project consultant will work with you to book the service appointment that fit conveniently into your schedule. 4. What is the cost to the agent and client? Coldwell Banker Residential Brokerage does not charge a fee for RealVitalize. All services are billed to Coldwell Banker Residential Brokerage, and the seller pays back the cost to us at closing with no hidden fees, interest charges, or markups. So if you've been wanting to sell but have repairs or updates that are needed to help you get top dollar when you sell, give me a call and I'll be glad to go over this program and answer any questions you might have. This is just another one of my programs that I offer to help you get maximum return when you sell your home. Some of my other programs include the Certified Smart Home Program and the Certified Pre-Owned Home Program. All of these programs are designed to make your home stand out from the competition and allow you to get top dollar when you sell. There should be a link below to sign up and get a flyer with additional information on the program. This is Tom Olszewski with Coldwell Banker and Team Olszewski signing out. Make it a great day.